So I picked this up to weld very thin gauge material if I ever needed to. There's been plenty of times in the past that I have needed to use a welder, and I got to travel like 30 minutes out of my way to a friend's house or to my dad's house, you know, on their time and everything. It's just really inconvenient. So I decided to pick this one up from Harbor Freight. It's a Flux core welder, and this is the titanium 125. It runs off 110, so you can plug it into your wall outlets. Very, very basic. You got two dials on it right here, and you got your power dial, and then you got your wire feed speed right there. Very simple setup, very budget, very beginner friendly. It didn't come with this handle. I put this on. But anyway, this welder here, they say can weld all the way to 3/16 of an inch. And I've definitely welded that and then some. I've even done some 1/4 inch welding, and it will do that. You just got to crank it all the way up. This is a very, very great little welder here, guys. And you see I got my little cart and everything with all my welding stuff on it, my helmet and stuff like that. So I've been using it to do the roll cage, the plates and everything. And I just want to show you guys here. I'm out here working on my car dolly. In the last video I said that I needed to make some modify some trailer ramps if I couldn't find what I needed. So that's what I was doing today. I just want to show you guys, this is the ramp that I had purchased, and it's only rated to 1,000 pounds, and I want it stronger than that. So I picked up some angle iron and I just welded it onto the sides to beef it up. But I want to show you guys some of the welds. I'm not a professional welder at all. I wouldn't even say I'm amateur. I'm very, very, very beginner. And I just want to show you guys, you know, these welds are not bad. I mean, $150 welder, this is what you're getting. Very, very clean and structural too. You know, that's good penetration right there. This Harbor Freight welder is a very great welder. I'm very impressed. I mean, you guys can see here the discoloration on the other side. That's full penetration on this metal. And yes, this stuff is pretty thin, but this is 3/16 here, and you know, it's just melting away. And this is not even on the highest setting. It's like a medium setting, you know. And the same thing with this one here. This is another good weld right here. So very impressed with it, guys. Very, 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 very happy with this purchase. And if you guys are in the market for a welder, your first welder, or an upgrade from the older ones that they have, those other flux core welders, this is definitely worth the money. Even if you paid the $200, I'd still say it's worth it. So just wanted to show you guys that. All right, you guys, take it easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.